what's up, guys? So as you will soon tell, it is a blizzard out here in Pennsylvania. It is crazy. Let's go see. Wait till you see this. Oh my gosh, look at my car. Can't even see it. My mom's car. Yo, this is probably like 2 feet. I don't even know. We started earlier. We did a little bit earlier. We did most of the front here. But look, it's already piling back up. I mean, really we just did it though just to like make it easier for later when it stops. Let's go see who we got back here. Introduce yourself, Anasia.
I'm Anasia. Hector's little sister.
There we go. Introduce yourself.
Jasmine. Juicy Jazz on YouTube. Oh my god, look, the flower isn't even there. I know.
Yeah, there's... Let's look at the basketball court. Wow. I can't even get out of this. Yeah, that's impossible. As of now, it's definitely impossible.
Oh, yeah, he is.
So, here in Pennsylvania, it's a Saturday right now. And I really wish the snow would have came like at least Thursday or something while we were in school. We could have had school off.
Look. Where's Mommy? Look at Mommy. Hi.
Hey.
Wow. Mom.
It's my mom. Duker. Come here. Come look at the camera. Come to the camera. Duker.
Come on.
Come here.
Come on, baby. Hey.
Let me go to him.
Baby. Look.
Dude. Come here. Come here, baby. Look. Look at that. Look at that little baby. Oh, baby. You cold?
We're posing just not in the picture. Oh my god.
Alright, I'm gonna go put it on. Where's Duker? Is Duker there?
Oh!
I love the snow, but I like summer better. This here is for little kitty. My mom's taking care of. She made a little house for it. Crazy part is the owner lives like right up there. But, you know, some people just are inconsiderate and don't have feelings. But we do what we can.